These days, most of the newspapers, news channels talk about the gain made by investors after investing in different IPOs. Yes, this is happening. Most of the IPOs are giving huge returns to those investors. But do you want to invest in IPOs? Do you want to make that listing gain from IPO investments? Then you should learn to invest in IPOs. You should learn how to choose the best IPO. Where do you learn? Who's going to teach? Now you can learn the A to Z of investing in IPOs by downloading Financial Freedom app. Yes, we have got a dedicated course on IPO investment in your Financial Freedom app, and this course will teach you A to Z of investing in IPOs. So, what are you waiting for? Download Financial Freedom app from Play Store or App Store and become an expert in IPO investments.